Water is essential, but just imagine our lives if we couldn't keep dry. The hulls of our boats, our roofs, our motorbike seats, our shoes. Hydrophobic surfaces are omnipresent in our lives, and in the vast majority of them, plastic plays a primary role. But diminishing oil resources means that one day we'll have to find new solutions. We can learn from the natural world, in particular the lotus. Its leaves are so good at repelling water, we call them super hydrophobic. Their surface is covered with columns just a few microns high. The air between the tiny columns is, in fact, what repels the water. But water can be repelled in another way. If a given surface is heated sufficiently to more than 400 degrees centigrade, water starts to hover. We call that caléfaction. The water droplet gradually evaporates and as a result floats on its own vapor. Scientists in this lab are studying how levitating water can be guided across heated brass plates. A herringbone pattern makes the vapor flow in a particular direction, and the water droplet starts to move. We can make it run around a circuit. We can even make it oscillate. Of course, the water eventually evaporates. The surface is, after all, 400 degrees. Now, if we add a super hydrophobic product to the surface and then heat it, the water will start to move at much lower temperatures, as low as 85 degrees centigrade. When we combine superhydrophobia with heat, water starts to hover at an almost normal temperature. We're entering a world where water and surfaces have a different relationship, where a tiny space on a surface has the power to displace.